Welcome to Fingerprinting Fun. Today we're going to make fingerprints and analyze fingerprints as we check out a crime scene. So the first thing you need to know are your materials. You need a very sharp pencil. You need paper of some kind. I prefer note cards, but you can use paper. You need tape. You need clear tape, not that tape that has the dusty side. So you need clear tape. You need cocoa powder. You need a clear glass, and it doesn't have to be a real glass. And you need a soft brush. Any kind of soft brush will do, even like a makeup brush or a paint brush, but just make sure it's kind of soft and bendable. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take a piece of paper or a note card, and you're going to color a patch. Make it really dark with your pencil. So just take that pencil and color as hard as you can until it's really, really dark. Once you get that nicely colored and dark, you're going to take your clean finger and you're going to rub over it because you're going to make your finger where you can make a fingerprint. So you're going to rub your finger over it like this and make it nice and dark. And then you're going to leave your finger here and you're going to take a piece of tape. This part's a little tricky. And if you can have a friend or a family member help you, this is really nice. So you take a piece of tape and you're going to take that piece of tape and lay it over your finger. So you pull it over that finger. Once that tape is on the finger, leave it there, and you're going to start placing it on a note card. So first you need to decide, are you going to do your right hand or your left hand? I'm going to do my right hand. And I started with my index finger. I probably should have started with my thumb. So I'm going to carefully peel it off. And I have a great fingerprint. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. And I'm going to lay it on that note card and smooth it out. So now I have my first fingerprint. I wrote right hand, and underneath that fingerprint, I'm going to write index finger. Now I'm ready to move on to the next finger. So I can do my thumb, and I can put it next to it. Then I go the middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. And so I'm going to keep going until I've done all my fingers on my right hand. Then I'm going to go to my left hand, and I'm going to probably make a second card. You can keep doing this and repeat until all your fingers are done. Then what's really fun is to go and fingerprint family members, if they're willing, of course. And then all you do is wash your hands. This is the first part of the lesson of Fingerprinting Fun. Then it gets a little bit more interesting.